Hey guys, welcome to Dog Points. Imagine waking up earlier in the morning, open your eyes slowly, and suddenly seeing your dog staring directly at your face like he pays the house rent. Not normally staring, serious staring. The kind of look that says, "Access me, human. My breakfast in is 3 minutes late," and honestly, no animal in the world is funnier than dog. Cats act like kings, parrot repeat random words, but dogs are full-time comedian without even trying. Welcome back to Dog Points, the place where dogs become the star of the internet. Now tell me something. Have you ever seen your dog running around the house for absolutely no reason? One second he is sitting peacefully, and the next second he turns into a race car full speed around the sofa, jumping on the bed, sliding across the floor, and then suddenly stopping and looking at you. Nothing happened. Scientists call this crazy movement zombies, but honestly, it looks like the dog downloaded too much energy and now the system is overheating. And dogs have another funny habit. They always want to one thing they are not suffered to touch you. Shoes, interesting, your socks, amazing TV remote, best toy ever created. You can buy them expensive dog toys, colorful balls, fancy ropes, but somehow your old sleeper becomes their favorite treasure in the world. And when you catch them chewing it, they slowly look away like a do not know how did this. That innocent face should honestly win an Oscar. But wait, gets even funnier. Dogs bark at the things ever. Something they bark at an empty corner. Sometimes at leaves moving outside the window. Sometimes at their own reflection. And sometimes they bark at literally nothing. Imagine sitting peacefully at night and suddenly your dog jump up barking at the wall like he just saw a ghost. Meanwhile, you are sitting there scared for no reason because now even you think something is there. And let's talk about the dog intelligence for a second. Dogs may act silly, but they are secretly smart, very smart. They can remember routines better than some humans. Your dog knows exactly when it is food time, walk time, snack time, and specifically when you are eating something tasty. Suddenly they appear for now here. Silent step, slow walk, big emotion, eye staring into your soul. Even if they just finished eating 5 minutes, they still act like that have not eaten since 1947. And have you noticed how dramatic dogs are? If you accidentally step on their tail for 1 second, they react like the whole world betrayed them. But the funny part, 5 seconds later they completely forgot everything and come back wagging their tail again. Dogs are basically teeny, fluffy drama kings. Another hilarious thing is how dogs sleep. Some dogs sleep like a normal animals, but others sleep in the position that make absolutely no sense. Legs into the air, face smashed into pillows, twisted like pretzels, or hanging halfway off the sofa like melted ice cream. Sometimes you look at the sleeping and wondered how is there even comfortable. But somehow dogs can sleep anywhere. Bed, floor, does not matter. And the most dangerous movement, bath time. The second dogs hear the word bath, they disappear faster than magic. Suddenly they become Olympic runners. You can You call their name and they act like they do not even know you anymore. But after the bath, oh, now the mindless beings running around the house at full speed, rubbing themselves on the carpet, jumping everywhere like they escaped prison. Nobody truly understands why dogs go crazy after baths, but honestly, they chase is one of the funniest things ever. Dogs also have a very special talent, embracing their owner at the perfect moment. Your house can be completely silent, but the second you start an important phone call, your dog suddenly decided this is the best time to bark at the maximum volume. Or when guests come over, some dogs act super excited like celebrities meeting fans for the first time, jumping, spinning, licking everyone, barging random toys nobody asked for. But even after all chases, all the barks and stolen socks and all the crazy zombies, dogs still make life happier. One wagging tail can fix a bad day. One funniest reaction can make you laugh instantly. And honestly, they why people love dogs so much. They are not just pets; they are fluffy little comedian with four legs. Have you ever looked at your sleeping dog and suddenly noticed something strange? Maybe their legs started moving, maybe their uh, ears switches, or maybe they made teeny little barking sound while sleeping. Sometimes it even look like they are running an invisible race in their dreams. And the funny truth is dogs actually do dreams just like human. Yes, while your dog is sleeping peacefully on the sofa looking innocent inside their brain, a full movie might be playing. Scientists discovered that dogs enter a deep sleep stage called REM sleep. That is the movement why dreams happen. So when your dog suddenly start kicking the air while sleeping, there is a good chances they are dreaming about chasing a ball, running in park, or maybe stealing your food again. And the funniest part, some puppies dream way more than adult dogs. That means teeny puppies are basically watching dream marathons everything every night. Imagine tiny puppy sleeping and dreaming about becoming the fastest dog in the world, while in reality he just fell off the curb 5 minutes ago. Dogs truly live the funniest lives. Some dogs even bark softly during dreams. Tiny woof woof sound come out while they are sleeping deeply. It almost feels like they are talking to someone in the dream world. Maybe they are agreeing with another dog, maybe they are demanding extra treats, or maybe they are finally catching the squirrels that escaped there earlier. Nobody knows. And there comes the really funny part. Sometimes dogs wake up suddenly for dreams looking completely confused. They are stare around the room like, wait, where did everybody go? Then after 2 seconds they just go back to sleep again like nothing happened. Dogs are honestly teeny fluffy, but not all dog dreams are funny. Just like human can have bad